Hi guys, want to see Dubai from another view? Why not try a yacht cruise, which is an experience you don't want to miss. I've put in details in this throwback video to help you plan your future cruising. Ahoy! Yachts passing by is a usual sight in Dubai waters. It's something I've always wanted to try. Online, there's a lot of good deals that you can find. There are deals in Groupon or Etisalat Smiles. Or other promotions. Take note of updated guidelines in regards to boat capacity allowed. Prices range per hour depending on the boat size. There are different boat sizes to choose from 52 feet up until 75 feet. And with different facilities available. Different boat sizes have different timings too. You could do it in the morning or in the evening. Discounts are available with Etisalat Smiles. Pay half to confirm your slot. Then you'll be informed where the yacht is docked. We booked ours at 7:30 in the morning and took the 2-hour Burj Al Arab and Atlantis route. Here we go! Ahoy! First time to sail in the Arabian Sea. 360-degree view inside the yacht. It was a sunny but not so windy day, just perfect. First stop, Burj Al Arab. When translated, it means Tower of the Arabs. It's one of Dubai's most iconic and luxurious 5-star hotel. The shape is like the sail of a boat, truly one of a kind. Enjoy a beautiful sunny day with this gorgeous view. Take selfies. And groovies with your family and friends. You can bring your own food and drinks are provided. Celebrate occasions and milestones in a unique way. Plus, there's a bedroom underneath in case you get dizzy. I hope not. More photo shoots, kanya-kanya na sila. Second stop, Atlantis the Palm. This luxurious hotel resort is at the apex of Palm Jumeirah. Skiing is another optional activity. Well, just reminiscing for now. The sound of rushing waters are just so relaxing. We enjoyed it even if it's only 2 hours, pero syempre bitin. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.